What does it feel like using Windows XP? Imagine using an operating system from 21 years ago. That's what we're about to do. So Windows XP was initially released in 2001, that's 21 years ago. And today we are going to have a feel of Windows XP. So I already have the ISO file of Windows XP. I'll provide the link in the video description so you can download it. Now let's create a new virtual machine. I'm going to call this Windows XP. Settings. So back then RAM was a big deal, so I wouldn't really give it much. Maybe 2 gig RAM should be okay. Processor core 2 should be okay. What else? Display, video memory, enable 3D acceleration. Okay, now let's boot Windows XP. I almost forgot to add the ISO file. Let's add the image file. Okay. Now let's boot Windows XP. Whoa. What's going on here? Now this was where we made a mistake. So when we were setting up, we used the version of 32-bit instead of 64-bit. So I'm just gonna switch that 64-bit. Second trial. Good. Now we are heading somewhere. Let's proceed. F8 I agree. Escape I do not agree. Okay, F8. And we select our drive, hit enter. Format the partition using the NTFS file system quick. I think I should go with the quick option. The installation has started. Back then when you get scared of messing things up, so you just have to be a little more careful. Wow. Okay, I think the installation has been completed, so this should reboot and we should have a good Windows XP experience. Let's see how it goes. Wow, I love how Windows XP is considered high performance. So the setup will take 35 minutes. That's actually a lot of time. Let's wait for it since we started already. Language, I should just next. Okay. Organization. Let's proceed. Product key. I think the product key was included. So this is actually a trial. So I'm just going to copy the product key. Remember, the link to this file is in the video description in case you want to check it out. Let's see if we can paste it there. Oops, it's not working, so we have to type it manually. I think this is correct. Let me just cross check. Okay, this should be correct. Next, computer name, I'll just leave it that way. Date, time, just continue. Just continue. And here we go, guys. So this is Windows XP. Now let's try to play some game. I think we should have pinball. Now imagine how games were back then in 2001. A lot has really changed. Now let's try the File Explorer, see how it looks. Now you can see how File Explorer on Windows XP looks. So let's compare Windows 11 with Windows XP. So you can see changes within 21 years. This was how it looked back then, and wow, just imagine. This is really massive. Now let's try to browse, maybe download Chrome. I don't know if that will work, but let's just try to download Chrome. So okay, this is the address bar, Microsoft Internet Explorer. Okay, I think my network drivers are not really working well. This is not working right now. This was Tax Manager back then, and look how it looks. Wow. But it actually works. Everything works, and you could use this in 2022, though you won't be able to use most of the softwares we use currently. So guys, this is how Windows XP look like. If you really want to try this out yourself, then check the description of this video, download the ISO file, and then download VirtualBox, install, and then you can try this out. Now if you don't know how to install VirtualBox, the link to a video I made earlier is also there. So everything you need to test this out is in the video description. If this was helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.